How to cancel HelloFresh subscription. For this, open a preferred browser and search for www.hellofresh.com. So first and foremost, you have to log into your HelloFresh account. For that, at the very top, in the right corner, you should find the option of a login bubble. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it to log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on Account Setting. Navigate through the settings option, then you have to tap on the option of plan settings. You simply have to go ahead and tap on plan settings. Once you are there, simply go ahead and tap on cancel plan, which will be at the bottom. Then simply follow the cancellation prompt. The website will likely guide you through the cancellation process and also ask for feedback. Just go ahead and proceed with cancellation regardless. Confirm cancellation, or even check for the cancellation confirmation using your email as well, because HelloFresh will most likely send you an email regarding your cancellation. If you are unable to find the cancellation options or encounter any issues, you can also reach out to HelloFresh customer service for assistance. They should be able to guide you through the cancellation process or help to resolve any issue you may experience. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.